beautiful ladies. I hope you all are doing great and are safe. Welcome to the unboxing with Burak, the house of luxuries. Today I have this beautiful piece from Freesia wedding collection, Enlightened Trump. Let's see how the suit originally looks. This is the beautiful choli of the gown. You can see and check out the designing. Here we have this beautiful small lace that will come around the front waist. Next we have this beautiful full embroidered, heavy embroidered sleeves. This is the lace that will attach on the sleeves. As you can see, they have given a very heavy embroidered sleeves as it's bridal collection. Usually Freesia come up with all the bridal and the wedding collection, so you must have this brand in your wardrobe. Now let's move on with the gown. The fabric used here for the gown is organza. As you can see, it's a very soft organza and it's a very comfortable and soft to the skin. This gown has total 9 panels for the front and 9 panels for the back, which will give a full flared look. Here we have this ghera designing and the lace. As you can see, there is a lace attachment. The total length of this lace would be around 5 yards. This lace is for front as well as the back. You can check out the designing and the finishing of the work, and the color combination they have given is just super stunning. The base color of the dress is lavender and there are very light, or you can say baby pink color flowers and silver work done on it. Here we have the whole look of the gown. Next we have this beautiful dupatta with all the latkans, the embroidery, the finishing, all is done. They have given a ready-made dupatta with this dress. You just have to get your gown stitched and you are ready to go. You can check out the dupatta. Here, this is the pallu of the dupatta with all the sequence lace and cutwork lace at the bottom with all the diamantes attached with it. Here you can check. The back side of the dupatta is done. Here we have the small and the big sequence motifs on all over the dupatta. The dupatta fabric is also organza, so it will be very easy to carry. It will not drip off. You can check this finishing is done on all the 4 sides of the dupatta. Wherever they have used the laces attachment to secure it. Here's the overall look of the gown. This is the grip trouser fabric. It's 2.5 meters. The color of this is also lavender, very light lavender. Here we have the back of the choli and this is the neckline with the sequins and the resham work. This is the look of the choli with minimal designing. This lace will come around the waist, back waist, and the same we have for the front. Here we have the back of the gown. Same, this has the 9 panels for the back as well, to give a very big flare to this gown. The lace attachment with all the sequence work done. The fabric here is also organza. This is the whole look of the back.